See, they probably let the lights gradually get higher.
There's a shot of Space Needle. The strobe lights are starting to fire off, and they will build.
Oh, it's starting.
Oh, that's what it was, Pat. It was strobe lights. We're mistaken.
Champagne?
Yes.
Nothing.
Jesse, did you get a glass?
Yes.
Champagne? Anyone? Ian? Champagne?
Zing.
No? Okay.
I look at it on TV.
You can manage.
15, 14 seconds. Are you guys ready for the countdown back there? Starting at 10. 8, 7,
Oh, wow. That's a perfect deal.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Taking pictures? Oh! Do you think I'll be able to get a picture? Yeah.
Yeah. You might have to open the window
I'm here for you.
so you don't get the flash. Pinch that and pull back.
That wasn't bad.
Good job, Mom.
Oh. Nice photo of the screen. Oops.
That's it.
Oh,
Yep, the
no!
end. That's it.
No.
That's all there is to it.
No, there's more. Because I heard they were going to have some fancy silver and gold. There better be more.
downstairs.
That's it?
And they've got the halo.
That's it. Okay, good night.
Is that really it?
No.
No.
Halo.
They're teasing you.
No.
Oh, these guys are pretty.
You want to go up to the roof, Morgan?
No.
Fine.
Do you? Oh, there we go. Silver. Ah, the silver and gold. Here it
Oh,
comes.
look at it at the top.
Oh.
Alright, I'm done with pictures. It's all the same.
That'd be kind of scary to be on top of the
I
space
know.
station.
Right? Those ones that just keep blowing out of the window. That would be unsettling. Blowing out of the sides. Yeah. I'd rather watch it from
Yeah, I don't think I really want to be in the middle of it.
I wouldn't want to be the helicopter pilot flying overhead of that crap.
I haven't been.
I wouldn't want to be directly.
Look at the bottom.
It's
Ah,
Yes.
it's beautiful.
I like what they have there.
Oh,
Oh, they're setting off their fireworks downstairs.
Yep, silver and gold. I think that's it.
That's silver and gold.
This is better than last year.
The silver and gold tentacles.
I
Yes.
didn't know what to expect.
Reaching.
Thankfully, you're here.
Reaching.
What the hell?
Reaching.
Half crazed narration brought to you this year by John Corcoran.
Woo! Oh, that is pretty. You have to admit.
Bohemian Rhapsody.
Good thing we have the soundtrack.
Oh. Uh-oh. Slight failure. Someone's in trouble.
Somebody lost a finger. I wonder how many people are up on the crane right now watching up there.
Kind of scary.
Oh.
Cool, they're spirals.
That.
Some of them are.
Superb.
That one right there, not so much.
Yeah, that one's kind of lame on the left there.
It's a lazy pearl.
Yeah.
Very nice.
That's
coming
fun.
Nice.
That's
the best.
It's very like church marm of you.
Ah!
I missed it.
You get a flash.
Wow.
Wow.
That was kind of cool.
Yeah.
Oh,
Good job, man. Approved.
Woo! Check it.
It looks like a king on gold.
Oh, this is far better than last year.
Yeah.
Really, it is.
Ooh, that one's cool.
Good job. boy. Good budget year.
Check out that candle.
The music is good that they've chosen too. It's just crazy.
It's gonna be a crazy new year.
It's just a crazy thing.
Left video.
I am.
Something's gonna happen. That's no left.
It's kind of a big deal. Yeah, we're
I
kind of a
don't
big deal.
understand how to have it lit. Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Mothers, I really
I just don't want to be part of the cleanup crew to have to clean up all the cement.
God. No.
That's pretty
Yes.
It's no fun.
She's like this when we watch TV too.
Yeah,
Oh,
she
look,
really likes
Peter,
to
look.
animate.
Yeah, she's been looking at the screen the whole time.
Oh yeah. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Oh no.
Oh my God.
Now that's just unnecessary.
It's a cone.
Oh come on now.
That's pretty. I like it.
No,
It's
no.
better than last year for sure.
Oh, it's a big one, Elizabeth.
Oh.
Hey, where'd they come from?
Tinkerbell, love it.
Yeah.
What?
These ones.
Just little sparkles.
Done for about 15 years. My parents' travel agent.
Pictures are changing.
Her name is Tinker.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Oh no, my battery's dying.
Well, no, I'll go.
What setting are you on? Oh, you're making movies?
Yeah. I took a bunch of pictures. Oh!
I think that's the big one.
Like it or